no.
Don't pay me my money, man. Real talk. Keep your tune to the front.
He ain't giving that thing.
And tacos are like, hey, wake that music up, man. Wake that music up, man. Yeah. Hey, new. Tony got fucked up. $7 if they can't beat nasty, nigga. Tony got fucked up. I say what? How they gonna beat $7 if they can't beat nasty, nigga? Hey, stop it down. Thank you, sir. Stop it down. Thank you, sir. Stop it down. Stop it down. Stop it down. Look out here, man. That's motherfucking man.
Big family fun out here tonight, man. I can't let Duke talk too long, no, man.
Put it Tony who? Put it Tony who? Put it Tony who? Put it Tony. Oh, you can see the sport. I bet you something happened. Man, that man bought 2 cars. Yeah, that man bought 2 cars. Man, bought 2 motherfucking cars. Something happened to this car. Something happened to you can see on the knee. Something happened to this car.
Hey, man,
Did not happen to that car.
Hey, Racing is luck. It's lucky, see. He got lucky. Man had about 2 cars.
Damn.
That man slept.
I'll see you all day. I'll see you all day. All right. Okay, I better go to go. Hey. 28 to the lane.
Congrats, Ronnie. Congrats. Thank you, buddy.
Hey, 28. 28.
Some more money. We picked up some more money, y'all.
We gonna Hey, I got that motherfucker right there to get up out of it. Where he at? Where he go? We got bills with the head now. Hey. Ask that little motherfucker how much you doing now, man. Hey, can we let the people have the track back? Get my track tonight. Oh, okay.
Alright, man, here we go. We got the final all steel on glass. Coming your way. I need anything on twigs and lanes to bring to the steady lane. Should be 3 cars.
God dang.
Anything on twigs. Should be 3 cars now.
Hey, Luke.
God dang. He's still picking.
It's all up.
Dang. Picked up some more, huh? Everybody. Dude bet his house. Y'all check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing.
All right.
How y'all doing, man? Y'all on my YouTube channel? Y'all on my YouTube channel? I know it. So with it. Yeah, I'm alright. How about yourself? Okay. We got the Wayne Bill on the right lane. Y'all been on this side? God damn, what the hell they got over there? Hey, get down. Left lane for the win, y'all. Oh, here we go. Damn.